Hi guys! 8:26 PM na! Iwaw! Feng Shui na! Brethren, family and friends, sa pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyo pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz. Ang inyo pong Feng Shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing and Date Selection Consultant. So, kumusta po kayo? How was your Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday? Well, tomorrow, thank God, it's Friday. Ganun pong kabilis, BFF. Ganun kabilis. And imagine po, sa nga po pala, sa lahat po ng nanood ng NGO TV Network, Wow Feng Shui po, yesterday, at sa mga araw pa na darating, ako pinagpapasalamat po sa inyo pong, finding time to watch it. No? Sa mga di pa po nanonood, ang guesting ko po sa NGO TV Network is every first Wednesday to discuss the monthly energies in Feng Shui, Pachi, and Chimen. So, if you want to know what is up ahead for October month 2024, ang kinakatakutang buwan po ng mga consultants at sa mga nakakaalam po ng metaphysics ay ito pong buwan ng October. Kaya kailangan pong manood kayo, ha? Don't you forget. Okay? But now, BFF, what we will do is, siyempre po, usapang snake. For, as we know, next year is the year of the green wood snake. Minsan dinadagdagan pa green, pero wood snake po yun. Wood snake. And as early as now, as early as last month, ay marami na pong naglabasan. Iba po ay okay, iba po medyo meron pong halong hula and everything. But of course, later po, bear with me, I will share with you po yung first animal sign, none other than the snake. And ito po, as early as November 7, mag-a-usher in na po yung energy ng snake. Yes, you hear me right. You heard me right, BFF. November 7, pumapasok na po yung energy ng snake. Opo, wow, ganun kabilis po, ano. Kaya po ang consultants ngayon, mga from abroad, as early po as September ngayon, naglalabas na po ng mga forecast for the incoming year. And that happens to be the wood snake. Okay? So, isa-isahin natin and then we go to the wood snake later. Okay, BFF, October 4, Friday, it's the day of the metal ox enters the stable officer day. By the way, to Sir Jan Tan, Sir Jan, happy birthday po and more blessings for you. I hope you're watching this po. More blessings to you, Sir Jan, and see you very soon. Okay, so tomorrow, it's called the metal ox enters the stable officer day. Ano ang pwede at hindi pwedeng gawin? Hi to Ma'am Apple. Thanks for watching. Good evening po. Hi. Magandang gabi po. Ano ang pwedeng gawin, Ma'am Apple, sa isang Friday? Thank God it's Friday. O eto po. Sabi po dito, setting up the altar. Hi to Kuya Benson. Magandang gabi. Setting up the altar is suitable. Pwedeng pwede. Setting the bed, traveling, celebrations, contracts, meeting friends, renovation, moving house, buying a new car, investment, submit tender, keeping a pet, haircut, and purchases, all good for tomorrow. Ano ang hindi advisable? Avoid going to see, tomb repair, and fermentation. Ayan, not recommended. So, ito po Now, we want to make sure, if it's to avoid, we make sure na talagang nakaschedule, hindi maiwasan, by using the daily chimen, ay makuha mo pa rin yung gusto mong outcome to make you happy. At kung mga gagawin mo naman ay suitable, we want to make sure na yung mga suitable na yan ay with flying colors ang epekto po ng iyong gagawin tomorrow. Po ba? The more it is sa ating liking, the more we are happy and getting what we want, of course. Siyempre naman. Okay, animal signs. October 4, rat and ox is very good. Tiger is average. Rabbit is bad. Dragon is average. Snake is very good. Horse and goat, not so good. Monkey, average. Rooster, very good. Dog, average. And pig, not so good. Hi to Kuyang Melvin. Hi to very worshipful pare Kuyang John Carr. Hi. Hi to my classmate, Brother Joseph. How are you? How's Japan? Nasa Japan ka pa, Kuya Joseph, to my batchmate in Don Bosco, Mandaluyong. Hi to Mang Miriam. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Thanks for watching po. Thanks for watching. Okay. So tomorrow po, BFF, ano ba ang pwede nating ipangontra. Kung talagang sabi, Kuya Norman na, nandiyan na ready na O ano pong gagawin? Ito po, tingnan natin. Daily Chimen mo yan. Starting ng Daily Chimen is 11:01 p.m. tonight and 10:59 p.m. the next day. Okay, silipin natin. Po, para po reinforce tayo, October 4. Ito po. So, if you want to 10x being beautiful and handsome, if you want to get resources, kulang ka sa puhunan, and you want to have that resources po, whatever it is, talikod sa Southeast. If you want to create opportunities, makes amend, heart-to-heart talk, meeting po, important meetings tomorrow, talikod naman sa West. If health is wealth, if you're not feeling well today, gaya po, talaga pong walang tulog po, no? Nagbawita ng tulog ngayon. Kaya Kuyang Melvin, pasensya talaga, hindi kita napuntahan kanina. Kulang na powers, kailangan mag-recharge, ha? Thank you so much. So, if you want to makabawi po, have good health, talikod sa Northwest. Anything to do with finances, negosyo, talikod sa North. And game changer po, talikod sa Northeast. Game changer. So, BFF, gawan natin ng dialogue yung game changer na nakatalikod sa Northeast. Ito po. Very worshipful pare Giancar, gawan natin ng dialogue. Ito may batchmate. Kuya Joseph, Brother Joseph, gawan natin to ng talkies. Okay. Let's go for it. Ayan. Para po meron tayo pong script natin. Ito po. Okay, sabi dito, Universe, I let go of that no longer benefits my journey and open myself to become the person needed to fulfill my aspirations. I am deeply thankful for my blessings and I'm always eager to evolve, learn, and do whatever it takes to achieve my dreams. I easily and effortlessly magnetize new opportunities by always attracting noble allies, forever lucky, generously aiding all, crafting robust lifelines and livelihood for all. Amen. So yung BFF, pwedeng Tagalogin. Basta pong ang pating format is, you let go of those bad things, you open up for new opportunities, you give thanks, you ask for what you want, and you give it back to society. Be a blessing to others. Okay. Sa mga gusto po ng Green Dragon, Flying Bird, and Jade Maiden watching the door, Kuya Norman, meron ba tomorrow? Ay, tingnan natin. Let us see, BFF. Ito po. October 4, okay. As early po as 5 a.m. to 6:59 a.m., Green Dragon returns, the number 1 most auspicious structure in Chimen, talikod sa Southwest. 7 a.m. to 8:59 a.m., Jade Maiden watching the door, the 3rd most auspicious, talikod sa Northeast. Flying Bird falling to cave, the 2nd most auspicious, wherein blessing comes to you, BFF, talikod naman sa South. And another Green Dragon, ganun pa rin po, Southwest backing, 7 a.m. to 8:59 a.m. Wow! Ganda! So BFF, kanina I started po ang ating sharing mentioning that as early as November 7, nandiyan na po, ushering in na po yung wood snake energy. Kung tayo po ay, for all we know, tuwing magbe-Burmans, pasilip na po si Jose Mariciano po, kumakanta na po ng mga Christmas songs. Ganun rin po sa Feng Shui. Meron pong transition, and the transition po is November 7 po, mararamdaman na natin po ang pag-usher in ng Wood Snake 2025. Yes! Kaya nga po, as early as September, yung nasa abroad, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Malaysia, Singapore, is already having their Feng Shui consultation. Ako rin naman po, sa ibang clients ko po, now they are advanced na po. So yung mga Feng Shui po na mag-aantay pa po ng Chinese New Year, late na po yung maganda as early as now. Let's go for it. Hi to Kuyang Noble Architect Dan Fred. Hi Kuyang, all the way from Mandaluyong. Nobs, good evening sa iyo. Good evening. Opo, Nobs, eto na. Bigyan natin ng buena mano, yung proper reading po yung galing po sa mga expert. Pero, maganda ho rin na, teka ba, how do I go about this, BFF? Help me out. May ranking na po ako Who's number 1 animal sign at sino po yung kulelat? Opo, hindi pa po siya official kasi I'm still waiting po from Dato Joey. Pero po, meron na po akong, let's say, this reading is almost 50 to 60 or 70% na po na almost ganito na po yung reading. Gusto po ba yung banggitin ko na po sa inyo yung expectation sa Year of the Wood Snake, animal ranking? Pwede po kayong mag-message ng yes kung gusto niyo na pong malaman. Pang ilan po ba? Very worshipful pa rin dyan karang rooster. Kuyang Danfred, pang ilan ba ang rat? Ayun, no, mga ganun, no. Kung gusto niyo po, BFF i-message niyo lang po. If you want me to say it now, yung ranking po ng mga animal signs. Sarap po, alis alam natin, ha? Kulilat ako, number 1 ako. Ayan. Gusto niyo na po ba? Or pwede niyo pong i-text yung birthday niyo po dyan, and then, bigyan ko ng ranking. Yun. Yes. Opo. So, pwede niyo pong banggitin. Hi to Kuyang Bernard. Pwede mong banggitin yung year of birth mo, tapos sabihin natin kung pang ilan ka. Opo, So, simula muna tayo sa numbering. 1 being the best, 12 being the kulelat. Ayun. Okay. Yes, yun. Dami po nag-yes. Ayun po, Okay, simulan natin. BFF. Kuyang Melvin, isa ring daga. Pangilan ba daga? Okay, tingnan natin. Sige po. Let's see. Doon pa natin simulan. Opo, Okay. Pag sinabi po nating, okay, ito po, Pag sinabi po nating animal signs, may 4 po yan. May 4 po na pillar. Taon, buwan, day, and hour. Okay. Ang taon po ng kapanganakan, ang ibig sabihin nun, how friends, people, society, and market affects you for the year. Are they helpful or are they not? Yun po, number 2. Yung month. Yung month po, that determines po how you earn your money. Maganda ba ang kitaan because ikaw isang negosyante, ikaw ay isang empleyado, or ikaw ay isang deal maker. So, the month pillar is your career, your profession, or how you earn your money. Okay. Ang day po is your day master, or this means relationship, your health, and household. Yan, day po yan. So, yung day po, makukompute lang po siya sa isa pong formal consultation. And the hour po is about investment, children, action taken, and decision making. Okay. Kaya din pong compute po yung time except for the day of birth because it will need a further computation or already an app para ma-determine po yung inyong day of birth. Pero po, yung year, yung month, and yung hour, directly pwede po natin yan i-compute. Gaya po sinabi ko kanina, snake. Okay. Ang snake po ay pinanganak ng 1977 plus minus 12 years. So, 1977 minus 12 is 1965 or 1977 naman po plus 12. So, yun naman po ang magiging 1989. So, yun po plus minus 12 po yan. Okay. Or, pinanganak po ang snake ng May plus minus 5 days. So, pwede pong May 5 to June 4. Ganun po And sa hour naman po, ang hour po ng snake is 9 a.m. to 10:59 a.m. Kasi 11 a.m. po, horse time na po siya. Okay? Ayan po. Now, dahil po kayo so ito po BFF so I would say this is 60% na almost ito na. Kapag ating po nung kay Dato Joey, we finalize everything po sa ranking, kukumpit po natin again. Alright! Ito na. Ayan na. Palakpakan. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Okidoki. Ayan. Alright. According to Grandmaster of Singapore, ang pinakakulelad po ay ang ox. Ox po is 12. 11 po is none other than the goat. So, ang ox po, pinanganak po yan ng 1973, 1985, yan. So, plus minus 12 years po, Or pinanganak po ng January, plus minus 5 days. Or pinanganak po ito. Or pinanganak. Hi to Senior Warden Noble, Kuyang Joseph. Hi, thank you for watching. So, ang ox po, kulelat, pinanganak po din ito ng oras po ng 1 a.m. to 2:59 a.m. Meaning po, ang hour of birth, again, is for, it determines our children, our investment, action taken, and decision making. Okay. Number 11. Yan, kulelat pa rin. Goat. O, ang goat po, pinanganak po yan 1979 plus minus 12 years. Or pinanganak po ng July plus minus 5 days. Or pinanganak po siya ng 1 p.m. to 2:59 p.m. Yan. Okay, pang-10. Yung kalaban po ng snake, none other than the pig. Ang pig naman po ay pinanganak po ng 1983 plus minus 12 years or pinanganak po ng November plus minus 5 days or pinanganak po ito ng 9 p.m. to 10:59 p.m. Ayan. Number 9 ay walang dili iba kung hindi po ang snake. So, snake po ay pang-siyam. So, taon niya po pero pang-siyam siya. Ang snake po ay pinanganak po ng 1977. Okay? Month of May plus minus 12 years and 9 a.m. to 10:59 a.m. Pang-8 po, rabbit. Kuya June, DLC, rabbit ka. Okay. Kuya Jimmy. Kuya Jimmy Maglinaw, sir. SK, sir. Oh, ikaw na yung rabbit. Pang-8, pinanganak po ng 1975 plus minus 12 years or pinanganak po ng March plus minus 5 days or ito po'y pinanganak po ng 5 a.m. to 6:59 a.m. Uy. Ikapito. So, paakyat po tayo hanggang number 1. Ikapito po ay ang rooster. So, halos same po This year and next year, same ang rooster. Pinanganak na 1981 plus minus 12 years. Pinanganak din po na September plus minus 5 days. And pinanganak po ng 5 p.m. to 6:59 p.m. Number 6 ay ang reigning animal sa ngayon, dragon. At least umangat po ang dragon Sir Jan! Pang-anim ka na po. Sir Jan, umangat na po from number 11. Pang-anim ka ngayon. Pinanganak po ng dragon po pinanganak po ng 1976 plus minus 12 years. Pinanganak po ng April plus minus 5 days. At pinanganak po ng 7 a.m. to 8:59 a.m. Number 5 is the horse. So, iba po, ang horse po, pangalawa Ang ganda po ng horse po, 2025. Pinanganak po ng 1978 plus minus 12 years. Pinanganak po ng June plus minus 5 days. Or, pinanganak po to ng 11 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. Number 4, kakampi ng horse, tiger. Pinanganak po ng 1974 plus minus 12 years. Pinanganak din po ito ng February plus minus 5 days. Or, pinanganak po ito ng 3 a.m. to 4:59 a.m. Uy, last 3 na, last 3. Last 3, BFF, brethren, last 3. Number 3 is the dog. O, comeback here from Nampang Kulelat. Ang dog naging number 3. Wow, sarap naman. Dog is pinanganak po ng 1970 plus minus 12 years. Pinanganak po ng October plus minus 5 days. Or pinanganak po ito ng 7 p.m. to 8:59 p.m. Number 2, monkey. Sa iba po ito'y pang-4. Sa iba naman po ito'y pangalawa. So, monkey po, number 2, ay pinanganak po ng 1968 plus minus 12 years. Pinanganak po ng August plus minus 5 days. At pinanganak naman po ng 9 p.m. to 10:59 p.m. And finally, number 1, animal sign. Sa akin pong hawak ay number 1 siya. Sa iba pong masters, number 1 pa din, none other than rat. Rat po is number 1. Pinanganak po ng 1972 plus minus 12 years. Pinanganak po ng December plus minus 5 days. Or pinanganak po ng 11 p.m. to 12:59 to 12:59 a.m. Woo! So, yun po. There you have it. Rat, number 1. 2 monkey. 3 dog. 3 dog, 4 tiger, 5 ang horse, 6 dragon, 7 ang rooster, 8 is rabbit, 9 snake, 10 pig, 11 goat, and 12 is the ox. There you have it. And then, tomorrow po, God willing, I'll discuss naman po sa inyo yung pong reigning animal sign, which is snake, for next year, kung ano po yung mga energies po, anong ibig sabihin po ng mga auxiliary stars, the meaning and how we go about it, at yung mga lucky months nila, and how things would go for, eto po, how things would go for their, tingnan po natin would go for their career, their wealth, their academic excellence or learning, their health, and relationship. Wow, BFF! Thank you so much again BFF So, hindi pa po final yan, but more or less, konti-konti pa lang. But again, rat is number 1. Wow, that's good news. Again, BFF, thank you so much for the time that you given me, for you always being there. Again, let's like and share po. And then, sa hindi pa po nakakapanood ng aking segment kahapon sa NGO TV Network, Facebook, or YouTube, please watch it po, like and share. So yun po, don't forget yung ating pong exchange of energies, like and share. Again, BFF, let us continuously pray for each other. Let us continuously pray for our leaders and for world peace. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all and a grateful heart. Maraming po salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless, good night, and see you again tomorrow.